Hello guys, in this video a picture containing flowers, a red rose color flower is present, and we will edit this picture by applying the Adapt Photoshop. By applying Adapt Photoshop, we use the shape mask. By applying the shape mask, we apply the add type of the shape mask. We select a particular style of the shape mask on the flower. We adjust the shape mask. After that, we apply the color on that. By applying the Adapt Photoshop, we can apply the pink color on that and adjust the size of shape mask.